Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about most important questions of quadratic expression. In that, short questions also we discuss here. It is a second part. Already we discussed about very short questions on first video. So I will provide that link also in description. Please watch it through the link. Now today we discuss about short questions, most important short questions, gun short questions like that. Clear? So see, first of all, find the range of the following expressions. Find the range of the following expressions. First one is x square plus x by x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. So we find out a range of this one. And second one, 2x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square minus 3x plus 2. And the third one is x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So these are same type of questions. Okay, now first one. So given expression taken as x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1, that equals to y. Okay, so then after we cross multiply, what we get here? X square plus x plus 1, that equals to y of x square minus x plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1, that equals to yx square minus yx plus y. Okay, now these three values take that side, we get here yx square minus yx plus y minus x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So y square, yx square and minus x square is there. Take common x square. What we get here? Y minus 1 into x square. Y minus 1 into x square. Next, take common x here. What we get here? So minus yx and that is nothing but minus y plus 1 into x. Take common minus x. Both are having minus sign. So we take common minus also. Then what we get here? Y and here plus 1. So y plus 1 into x. Next, plus remaining constant value y minus 1, that equals to 0. Okay, so we got here quadratic equation in terms of x. Okay, so for all x belongs to R, that means here what we get here, delta value is always greater than or equals to 0. Okay, the x అనేది real number అయితే either equal, they are not equal. So delta is equal 0, they are equal. Delta is greater than 0, they are not equal. Clear? So that's why b square minus 4ac is greater than or equals to 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So what is b? B is nothing but minus of y plus 1. So this is a, this is b, and this is c. So we write now minus of y plus 1 whole square. Minus of y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a y minus 1 c y minus 1, that is greater or equals to 0. Okay, so now minus 1 minus of y plus 1 whole square is nothing but minus whole square is plus y plus 1 whole square is y square plus 2y plus 1 minus y minus 1 into y minus 1 whole square, that is nothing but 4 of y square minus 2y plus 1 we get here. Okay, now y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square minus into minus plus 8y minus 4 is greater than or equals to 0. So we get here minus 3y square. Here plus 10y. Here minus 3 is greater or equals to 0. So take common minus or multiplied by minus. What we get here? Minus into minus plus 3y square minus 10y minus into minus plus 3 is less than or equals to 0. When we are multiplied by minus, we get here greater than change into less than. This is equation number 1. Now we find out the factors here. That is nothing but 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 is less than or equals to 0. So take common 3y. What we get here? Y minus 3. Minus 1 take common. Y minus 3 is less than or equals to 0. So 3y minus 1 into, so y minus 3 is there. So y minus 3 less than or equals to 0. So 3y minus 1 equals 0. Then y equals what we get here? 1 by 3. Y minus 3 equals 0. Then what we get here? Y equals to 3. So here in minimum value is nothing but alpha and maximum value is beta. From equation number 1, the coefficient of y square is equals to 3, that is greater than 0, positive. Okay, that is greater than 0, positive. And the expression, what is the expression? Expression is negative or positive? Less than 0 is there, so negative. Okay, so negative minus. Clear? So the expression is negative. So both are having opposite signs. Here. So a quadratic expression having opposite signs here. So the coefficient of x square and the expression ax square plus bx plus c having opposite signs, then what we get here? In between values are existing. That is nothing but alpha less than or equals to x less than or equals to beta. See here, in terms of y is there, so alpha less than or equals to y less than or equals to beta. So what we get now? 1 by 3 less than or equals to y less than or equals to 3 we get here. That implies what we get now? Y belongs to closed interval in between 1 by 3 to 3. 1 by 3 to 3. So we write a range of given function. Why? Because given function is nothing but y. So we assume here. So that is nothing but given function is nothing but what we now? That implies that equals to 1 by 3 closed interval 1 by 3 comma 3. So this is the range of given function. Okay. So same process will follow 2x square minus 6x plus 5 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. That equals to also y we take here. So we can change into like this here into y. X belongs to r. So here these steps are important here. Okay. So then after this one. Why? Because delta is greater or equal to 0. B square minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. Suppose here y square coefficient is minus. Multiplied by minus both sides. Greater or equal change into less than or equals to. Suppose y square coefficient is positive is there, as it is follow. We don't multiply it by minus. Okay. So here both are having opposite signs. This is positive and expression is negative. ఇందులో కూడా మనకు అదే సేమ్ ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో కూడా ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ వాల్యూస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ కంప్లీట్ మళ్ళీ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. మనం మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, లెస్ దాన్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ కలిగి ఉంటాయి. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు డిఫరెన్స్ చూడాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ లోపల ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందంటే టోటల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏముంది? పాజిటివ్ ఉంది, గ్రేటర్ ఈక్వల్ 0. వై స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏముంది? నెగిటివ్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ సేమ్. వెన్ వీఆర్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బై మైనస్ బోత్ సైడ్స్, అగైన్ వి గెట్ హియర్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ లెస్ దాన్ ఈక్వల్ 0 ఉంది, ఇది పాజిటివ్ ఉంది. అంటే మనం చేసే ప్రాసెస్ కరెక్ట్ అన్నట్టు. మీరు రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది అదే. సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇలాగే వస్తే నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది, అది మళ్ళీ పాజిటివ్ చేస్తాం. పాజిటివ్ చేసినా కానీ రెండు మళ్ళీ సైన్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ అవుతాయి. డిఫరెన్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా వాటి మధ్య ఉంటుంది. వేటి మధ్య అంటే ఆ రూట్స్ మధ్యలో గివెన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ రియల్, ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. So here also we find out a range, but we prove that here lies in between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Same type of problem, last previous problem also same type of problems also there. So I will write now, see here. So let us take x by 5x plus 9, that equals to y. Okay, so what we get here, x equals to y of x square minus 5x plus 9 we get here. Now x equals to, multiply it is y into x square. So this one into this one is nothing but y of x square minus 5x plus 9. So multiply this one, 5yx in y. Okay, right, y x square, 5 into yx, 9 into y. Only one x is there, so take this side. So remaining values we write here, y x square minus 5yx plus 9y minus x is equals to 0 we get here. So y x square, so here we get here minus of 5y plus 1 into x, both are having same sign. So we get here 5y plus 1 into x plus 9y is equals to 0 we get here. Okay, so see here, now what we get here, yx square minus of, so we write here a equals to y. Why? Because ax square plus bx, b equals to minus of 5y plus 1 and c equals to 9y. C equals to 9y. Okay, so we got here ax square plus bx plus c form. So this equation has real roots. Then what we get here, for all x belongs to R, that implies delta value is greater or equals to 0. Greater or equals to 0. So what we get here, b square minus 4ac is greater or equals to 0. We know the value of b, that is nothing but minus of 5y plus 1 whole square, b square, minus 4a y and c 9y is greater or equals to 0. So minus whole square is nothing but plus. So we get here 5y plus 1 whole square minus 4y into 9. So that is nothing but 36y square is greater or equals to 0. 36y square is greater or equals to 0. Okay. So now a plus b whole square form is nothing but 25y square plus 1 plus 10y minus 36y square is greater or equals to 0. Okay, 36y square minus 36y square plus 25y square, that is nothing but 6 minus 5 1. So 11y square we get here, minus 11y square plus 10y plus 1 is greater or equals to 0. So both sides we are multiplied by minus. Why? Because minus is there, 11y square is there. So we get here plus 11y square minus 10y minus 1. This can change into less than or equals to 0. Okay. Why? Because here y square coefficient is minus 11 is there. So that will change into positive. We get here like this here. Okay. So less than or equal, greater or equal change into less than or equals. This is equation number 1. And now find out the factors of this one. 11y square minus 11y plus y minus 1 is less than or equals 0. So 11y of y minus 1 plus 1 of y minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. So 11y plus 1 of y minus 1 is less than or equals to 0 we get here. Okay, we got here factors like this here. 11y plus 1. So 11y plus 1 equals 0. Then y equals to what we get here? Y equals to minus 1 by 11 we get here. So y minus 1 equals 0. Then y equals what we get here? That equals to 1. So minus 1 by 11 and 1 are the roots. Clear? So now we write here lies in between minus 1 by 11 and 1 we find out here. Clear? So how to get that is from equation number 1. From equation number 1, what is this one? This is okay. The coefficient of y square we write here. The coefficient of y square is equals to 11, that is greater than 0, positive. Clear? And the total expression is the expression has which value, that is totally less than or equal 0, negative. Expression is negative. Okay, so negative. So here both are having opposite signs here. So that what we get here, in between values are exist here. That is nothing but minus 1 by 11 y less than or equals to 1 we write here. That implies y belongs to close interval minus 1 by 11 comma 1 we write here. So that means here what here, the given expression, what is the given expression here? The given expression x by x square minus 5x plus 9. Why? Because y is nothing but we assumed here x by x square minus 5x plus 9. So that is lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Minus 1 by 11 and 1. So this is the very important question for short question. Okay. So I think all are understand. So see here. One more example also I will take here. Most important questions. So in between values are exist here. Then after not in between values also some problems to get here. So that will be discussed today now. Right. Next question. Show that none of the values of the function x square plus 34x minus 71 by x square plus 2x minus 7 over R lies between 5 and 9. So none of the values is there. None of the values means here not in between these roads here. Clear? Adi manaku ardham kaali first. Lies between అన్నాడు కదా అనే ఉద్దేశం మీద 5, 9 మధ్యలో ఉంటాయి అనుకోవద్దు. నన్ ఆఫ్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఏవి కూడా 5, 9 మధ్యలో ఉండవు అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. క్లియర్? సో సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ like previous problem. So again let x square plus 34x minus 71 divided by x square plus 2x minus 7 that equals to y. So cross multiply it is, we get here x square plus 34x minus 71 that equals to y of x square plus 2x minus 7. So now x square plus 34x minus 71 equals to yx square plus 2yx minus 7y we get here. Okay, so total values take this side or this side. Take any value we get here, right? Clear? So x square plus 34x minus 71y minus yx square minus 2yx plus 7y is less than or equals to 0. Clear? Now take common here x square coefficient. What we get here? 1 minus y of x square. 1 minus y of x square. Next plus x. Here x is there. Here also x is there. So we get here 34 minus 2y into x. 34 minus 2y into x. Next remaining constant, remaining value is 7y minus 71 is equals to 0. Now we got here ax square plus bx plus c form a equals to 1 minus y, b equals to 34 minus 2y and c equals to 7y minus 71. So over R is there, that is nothing but for all x belongs to R, delta value is greater than or equals to 0. So what is delta? That is nothing but b square minus 4ac is greater than or equals to 0. So what is b? 34 minus 2y whole square minus 4a 1 minus y into c 7y minus 71 is greater than or equals to 0. Clear? So we get here a minus b whole square form. That is nothing but say take common here. 2 take common. What we get here? 2 of 17 minus y whole square. Why? Because for our simplification we take common. Clear? 4 into, now both are multiplied, is 7y minus 71 and minus 7y square plus 71y is greater equals to 0. Clear? Right. Now 2 square, that is nothing but 4 of 17 is the 17 minus y whole square, that is nothing but a minus b whole square. So a square 17 is the 289 plus b square y square minus 2ab 34y minus 4 of see here what we read now, 7y square minus 7y square, 71y plus 7y, that is nothing but 78y plus 78y. Next remaining minus 71 is there, minus 71. Okay, so that is greater equals to 0. See here 4 and 4 is there, 4 take common, what we get here, 4 of 289 plus y square minus 34y. Now minus into minus plus 7y square minus 78y plus 71 is greater equals to 0. So 4 take that side, 4 into 0 0. So we get here 289 plus 71. 289 plus 71, how much that is? So first of all y square values we take here, 7y square plus y square, 7y square plus y square, 8y square. Okay. Next one 78y 34y. So 8 plus 4 12 and 8 plus 3 11. So minus 112. Clear? So 112 y. Next constant value 71 and this one. So 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 8 16, 1 plus 2 3. So plus 360 is greater equals to 0 we get here. Okay, right? So we take here 8 common, what we get here, y square. Okay, so take common 8, what we get here, 8 of y square, 8 1s are 8, so remaining 3 are there, so 8 4s are 32. Clear? 8 4s are 32. So clear here. Next 8 4s are 32, so 8 5s are, so 45 is greater equals to 0. Okay, so y square minus 14y plus 45 is greater equals to 0 we get here. See, observe here, this is taken as equation number 1. Why? Because y square coefficient is positive. Suppose negative is there, both sides were multiplied. So we got here all are direct positive. So we don't change any values. So but here observe this one. What is there? The coefficient of y square is positive as well as expression also positive. Both are having same signs. Both are having same signs, not in between the rows that will be exist here. So first of all we find out the factors of this one. Y square minus 9y minus 5y plus 45 is greater equals to 0. So minus 14y can written also minus 9y minus 5y. So y of y minus 9, take common y, 5 of y minus 9 is greater equals to 0. So y minus 5 of y minus 9 is greater equals to 0. So y minus 5 equals 0, then y equals to 5. Y minus 9 equals 0, then y equals to 9. So we got here 5 comma 9 are the roots. Now the from equation number 1 we write here, from equation number 1. What we write now from equation number 1? The coefficient of y square is equals to 1, that is positive, and the expression has also positive. Clear? Greater than 0. So both are having same signs here. Both have same signs. Okay, so what we get here, not in between the roots are exist here. That means here y less than or equals to 5 or y greater than equals to 9 we write here. Not in between the roots. That means here y less than or equals to 5 or y greater than or equals to 9 we write here. That means here y belongs to r minus 5 comma 9. R minus 5 comma 9. So therefore the given expression not lies in between 5 comma 9. 5 comma 9. It's clear. So 5 and 9. The given expression not lies in between 5 and 9. Clear. Next question. Prove that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie in between 1 and 4. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ డస్ నాట్ లై అన్నది కాబట్టి నాట్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ సేమ్ ఫాలో. హియర్ 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equals to y. Is equals to y. So take LCM. What we get here? 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 we get here. And it will be కాబట్టి ఇందులో 3x plus 1 ఉంది, x plus 1 ఉంది, 3x plus 1, x plus 1 కాబట్టి 3x plus 1, x plus 1 take common. Here already 3x plus 1 is there. So multiplied with x plus 1 we get here x plus 1. Plus here 3x plus 1. Here both are having same values. So we get here only minus 1 as it is. So that equals to y. That equals to y. So now cross multiply. So 3x plus x 4x minus 1 plus 1 both are cancelled. So we get here only plus 1. So 3x plus x 4x plus 1 that equals to y of this values 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, now 4x plus 1 is equals to, now multiply this. What we get here? y of 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1. So 4x plus 1 that equals to 3y x square. So 3x plus x 4x into y 4yx plus y we get here plus y. Okay, so now we write here 4x plus 1 our total value stays, take this side. What we get here? 3yx square plus 4yx plus y minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So 3yx square as it is. Next take common x. What we get here? 4y minus 4 also this. So 4 also take common. 4 of y minus 1 into x. Next plus y minus 1 remaining value that equals to 0. Now we got here a equals to 3y, b equals to 4 of y minus 1 and c equals to y minus 1. We got a quadratic equation in terms of x and ax square plus bx plus c is the form. So a equals to 3y, b equals to 4 of y minus 1, c equals to y minus 1. Now for all x belongs to r, x is real is given here. So that implies delta value is greater than or equals to 0. What is delta? Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac is greater than or equals to 0. So what is b? 4 of y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a. What is a? 3y and c y minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. Now 4 whole square that is nothing but 16 of y minus 1 whole square is nothing but y square minus 2y plus 1 we get here. Minus 4 of 3y into this one. So what we get here? So also we write here 4 into 3, 12 into y, 12y square, y into y, 12y square minus 12y square. So minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12 into 1, 12y is greater than or equals to 0. So 16y square minus 32y plus 16 minus 12y square plus 12y is greater than or equals to 0. Now 16y square minus 12y square, 4y square plus minus 32 plus 12y minus 20y plus 16 get equals to 0. So take common 4, we get here 4 of y square minus 5y plus 4 is get equals to 0. Okay, so y square minus 5y plus 4 is get equals to 0. So this is equation number 1. So why? Because the coefficient of y square we got here, that is positive. So we don't take both sides by multiplied by minus. Why? Because here plus is there. Suppose minus is there, we are multiplied both sides by minus. Clear? So y square, directly we find out the factors here. Okay. So y square minus 4y minus y plus 4 get equals 0. So y of y minus 4 minus 1 of y minus 4 get equals to 0. So y minus 1 into y minus 4 get equals to 0. So y minus 1 equals to 0, then y equals to 1. Y minus 4 equals 0, then y equals to 4. So here we got here two roots here, 1 comma 4. So from equation number 1 we write here. From equation number 1, the coefficient of y square is equals to what is there? That is 1. This is positive. Okay, and the expression is negative or positive, that is also positive. Both are having same signs here. So in between or not in between? Not in between the roots here. That means y is less than or equals to 1 or y is greater or equals to 1. So y belongs to r minus open interval 1 comma 4. Therefore we write here the given expression does not lie. The given expression does not lie in between 1 and 4. 1 and 4. And next question. This is first one, this is second one. Two questions are there. So find the maximum value of x. Maximum values of x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3 over r. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మనకి సేమ్ మళ్ళీ దీని వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్స్ టు y అనుకోవాలి. కంప్లీట్ డిఫరెంట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే మనకు వాల్యూస్ ఎలా వస్తాయంటే రూట్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇట్లా 5,4 వస్తాయి, -5,4 వస్తాయి. సేమ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ వాల్యూస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి క్లోజ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ వస్తుంది, అంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ వాల్యూసే వస్తాయి. ఓకే, అంటే సైన్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తాయి, మైనస్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఆటోమేటిక్ మళ్ళీ ఈక్వల్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇలా వస్తాయి. వచ్చినప్పుడు మినిమం వాల్యూ ఏదైతే మినిమం 5 అవుతుంది, మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుంది 4 అవుతుంది. అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది, మనకు అడిగింది మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ కాబట్టి 4 అని రాస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇది సింపుల్ అమ్మ. ఇక్కడ దీని యొక్క ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు y అంటే రేంజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఈ రేంజ్ వస్తుంది. రేంజ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మినిమం వాల్యూ, మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ. క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఐ విల్ టేక్ హియర్. x minus p divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 that equals to y. So here also same we take here x minus p is equals to y of x square minus 3x plus 2. X minus p is equals to y x square minus 3yx plus 2y. So x minus p is equals to, so total values take this side here, y x square minus 3yx plus 2y minus x plus p is equals to 0. Okay, so we get here y x square minus 3yx minus x, take common minus x, we get here 3y plus 1 into x plus 2y plus p is equals to 0. Now we got here ax square plus bx plus c form a equals to y and b equals to minus of 3y plus 1 and c equals to 2y plus p. 2y plus p. So for all x belongs to r, delta value is greater or equals to 0. So that means b square minus 4ac greater or equals 0. So what is b? Minus 3y plus 1 whole square. 4 into a, what is a? Y, and c 2y plus b is greater than equals to 0. Clear? Now minus whole square is plus, a plus b whole square is 9y square plus 1 plus 6y minus 4y into 2y, that is 8y square. Okay, next minus 4yp is greater than equals to 0. So 9 minus 8 y square plus 6y minus 4yp. So we take common y. What we get here? Plus 6 minus 4p into y we get here. Plus 1 is greater than equals to 0. So here also we got here quadratic equation in terms of y, but here 6 minus 4p is there. This value may be equals to 2, then we get here real and equal roots. Otherwise we get here complex roots. That's why we write here the roots of the roots are real and equal or complex roots. So the complex roots, that implies what we know, delta value is less than or equals to 0. So what is delta? B square minus 4ac is less than or equals to 0. So what is b? Here 6 minus 4p whole square, 4 into a 1 and c also 1 less than or equals to 0. So 36 plus 16p square minus 2ab 48p minus 4 is less than or equals to 0. So 16p square minus 48p plus 32 is less than or equals to 0. So take common 16, p square minus 3p plus 2 is less than or equals to 0. So we get here p square minus 3p plus 2 less than or equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Why? Because we find out the values of p, not y. Okay, so y అనుకున్నా కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి కాదు మనకు కావాల్సింది, కాబట్టి p వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి సో వీ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ టు లైక్ దిస్ ఇయర్ p స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3p plus 2 less than or equals 0 taken as equation number 1. Okay, so here we find out your factors here, p square minus 2p minus p plus 2 less than or equals to 0. So p of p minus 2 minus 1 of p minus 2 less than or equals 0. So p minus 1 into p minus 2 is less than or equals 0. So p minus 1 equals 0, then p equals to 1. P minus 2 equals 0, then p equals to 2. So we got here 1 comma 2 are the roots of p. So the coefficient of, so from equation number 1 we write it same as it is. From 1, the coefficient of p square is equals to 1, that is positive. Okay, and the expression is negative. Expression is negative. Clear? So both are having same signs or opposite signs here? Opposite signs. So that's why in between roots exist here. In between, that means here 1 less than or equals to p less than or equals to 2 we get here. But we substitute here p equals to 1 and 2. P equals 1 and 2, then not satisfy the given equation, given expression. Okay, so therefore we get here 1 less than p less than 2 will be exactly in between 2 1 to 2 మధ్య నుండి వాల్యూస్ మాత్రమే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, 1 2 కి సాటిస్ఫై చేయొద్దు అని అర్థం. సో దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ p bounds only open interval 1 comma 2, open interval 1 comma 2. Right, next question. C given that c square minus ab x square minus 2 of a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac is equals to 0. So this is the given equation and is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0. So this equation has equal roots. As equal roots. That implies what right now? Delta value is equals to 0. Why? Because delta value is equal to 0. So the equation has equal roots, then we write discriminant value is equal to 0. So that's why b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So what is b? B is nothing but the quotient of x square, that is minus 2 of a square minus bc whole square, minus 4 into a, c square minus ab, and c, b square minus ac, that equals to 0. So minus 2 whole square, 4 of a square minus bc whole square, a power of 4 minus plus b square c square minus 2a square bc we get here, 2a square bc, a minus b whole square form. Next, minus 4 of c square b square, that is nothing but b square c square, both are same. So minus a c cube minus a b cube. So clear, minus into minus plus a square bc, a square bc is equals to 0. So 4a power of 4 plus 4b square c square minus 8 a square bc minus 4b square c square plus 4 ac cube plus 4 ab cube plus 4 minus 4 a square bc is equals to 0. Okay, so 4b square c square, 4b square c square cancel, minus plus. Next 4a power of 4, clear. Next plus 4a b cube plus 4a c cube, positive values first of all we write here. Then after negative values, minus 12 a square bc is equals to 0. So take common 4a cube, 4a only, 4a. What we get here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a bc is equals to 0. So in this case here 4a is equal to 0, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a bc is equals to 0. So a equals to 0, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3a bc. Okay, so we got here answer. So this is most important questions. These are all most important questions. Maximum questions ఇవే కాబట్టి maximum ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి.